Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pauline. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Jamaican fried dumpling. I love Jamaican fried dumpling and it's also easy to prepare. I'm using salt, self-raising flour and vegetable oil to fry. So let's get started. I'm using 1.5 cup of flour. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Not a lot to get it salt. Then you need 1/2 cup of water to start it, because sometimes you don't know the amount of water it will take to knead it up. So now I'm going to combine the salt into the flour before I add the water. Pour in my water. I have to use tip by tip, not a lot in one go, or else the flour will get too soft and I don't want to add any more to it. So I use the flour to clean around the extra one that is at this side there. Then I use a fingertip to mix it in. Then I add a little bit more water. Now I'm going to let it rest for 10 minutes, because when you let it rest for 10 minutes, it gets a bit more smoother when you're making it. So this is it there now. My oil is in now on medium flame, because I don't want my dumpling to get burned. I want them to come out very nice. I'm going to start to make my dumplings now. I mix it over like this, and then you get it have a pretty soft texture like that. So now I'm going to start. I don't want them not so big. Just like this size. Oil is ready. Yeah. Put them out like this. And if you see that they're getting a bit too dark and it doesn't finish fry, you can just turn down the flame a little bit lower. So that's when you take it out, it don't get too dark and it doesn't cook inside. Or if you want, you can just keep turning it each time so one side don't get darker than one side. I turn the flame down a little more because it's getting a bit too dark, and I have to keep turning them each time. You can also put them on the side here as well. Let it soak a little bit because it's almost finished frying now. I'm going to take out these ones now. So it takes around 8 minutes to prepare to cook. They're pretty. So guys, I finished frying my dumpling. They're very soft and moist. Now I'm going to plate up my fried dumpling. I'm going to have it with some fish that I already prepared. There it is now. Look at it. Very nice. Hope you like how I prepare my fried dumpling. I hope you will try it and like it as well. Please like the video, share with your family and friend, and subscribe for more of my yummy recipe. Thank you.